You know a mirror is special when the hardest part isn't hanging it, it's deciding which room deserves it most. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the Keonjinn Gold Irregular Mirror. It's one of those pieces that instantly makes a space feel more elevated. The reflection is incredibly clear thanks to the tempered glass, so there's no distortion, no funhouse effect, just crisp, bright clarity. It was also packaged extremely well with plenty of protective padding, so it arrived in perfect condition. Now, even though this mirror gives off high-end vibes, it isn't high maintenance because it's surprisingly easy to install. The sturdy back bracket is secure and the hanging instructions were clear, so I had it on my wall in no time. Now, what I love most is how versatile this mirror is because you can hang it both vertically or horizontally. So it works beautifully in a bathroom, bedroom, entryway, even your living room. Honestly, it looked good everywhere I tried it, and that is my point of view.